And hopefully we'll make some beautiful, tasty cinematic footage out of it as well as learning something. Could this be any better?
Surprise, motherfucker.
So yeah, that didn't happen. They cancelled on me last minute, so I had to find something else to do.
So this is how we do intros now with the whiteboard. Can you read that? Hopefully not. Hi and welcome back. We are getting ready to do another project. So one I've been trying to get to do for a while. We just needed the weather to get slightly better. It's still April in Norway, so it's unreliable at best. That starts tomorrow, where we're going to be trailing, shadowing, and interviewing a guy that has a passion that lies very close to my heart. He helps unruly dogs become more family members than nuisances. And if you don't know, in this household, we have 3 furry friends. That sounds bad. 3 pets. We have Kiri and Vesla the dogs, and Vinny the cat. So for me, on a personal level, this is going to be a very interesting project. And hopefully we'll make some beautiful, tasty, cinematic footage out of it as well as learning something. Could this be any better?
Surprise, motherfucker.
So yeah, that didn't happen. They cancelled on me last minute, so I had to find something else to do. Okay, so we are located just about here. And we have a bunch of points that we could check out. And one of my favorites is actually this one. It's an island built into a fortress, a trade post. It's really cool, but we kind of need a boat to get out there. You know, boats in April in Norway really don't want to get cold and wet. So there's another spot I really wanted to check out for some time, and that is far west. Here we are. This place has a couple of houses built in the 17 and 1800s under a rock shelter at the end of a fjord. Come on, how good is this going to be? I'm thinking we're going to drive there tomorrow. We're not going to be able to do it today. And seeing as this is westward facing, we're probably going to have a nice sunset if we don't get there too late, because I figure these mountains will maybe cast a shadow, so we'll leave early in the morning. I love driving, but I have the worst sense of direction. I also take pride in not needing to look at maps, and when I do, I pay attention more to the scenery than where I'm actually going. That's why you see me stopping, turning around, and going in circles. Combine this with driving an EV, time will fly. So a 2.5-hour drive ended up taking 4. Although, with scenery like this, I don't really mind. We did make it in the end.
All right, we made it. It's beautiful here. We might be a bit unlucky with the clouds here, but we'll try to get the drone up and running. You can look down at the fjord. Look at that, huh? There's a factory up there. And down here at the fjord, there's supposed to be some very old houses built underneath a cliff to protect it from the weather. Hopefully we'll be able to find those. Oh, it's very windy. Oh, I don't know if I want to put up my drone here. Kind of have to, don't we? Yeah, we do.